To check app battery usage on the Realme C71, all you simply have to do is first go for the settings. From here, you'll have to scroll all the way down and you will be able to find these battery settings right here. So let's go in there, and here is the battery usage. So let's tap on this one, and here you can find this period since the last full charge right here. So my last full charge was like 3 days ago. And here you can find, as you tap on any day right here, you can find more precise like graph with the whole day right here, and you can like select the whole day or the whole week, I believe, like this whole period. Somehow as you tap, I'm not sure how you can, alright, so as you unselect kind of the current day, you will have this full like preview of the full battery usage, but you can select more precise usage if you'd like to. And here you can see there is the list of all of these applications which we're using the battery right here, and its amount, the amount of battery. And yeah, here you can see the screen time, the background usage, and some other stuff. So that's basically how you can check that app battery usage time.